Hi habibty, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel with Afni Siroji. So today I'm gonna make a makeup tutorial for this look. It's really easy to follow, and then all the stuff I'm gonna using, it's mostly from Indonesia and then from Australia. So I think it's easy for you to get this makeup look. If you want to know how I create for this look, don't skip the video, keep on watching. If you're new in my video, don't forget also for subscribe on my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let's move on to the tutorial. So, pertama-tama di sini aku mau pakai Hydra Serum dari Makeover seperti biasa. Pomade primer. It's feel good. Use this. And next, I'm gonna using my makeup. Where is that? Makeover. Sorry, I using Makeover in shade Velvet Nude number 05. Just put on my hand like this. 2 pump. Using my sponge. Spread all over my face. And I just damp like this. I'm not gonna make this full coverage because it's like get ready with me. Two pump is enough for me when I'm using makeover. I'm gonna using a little bit of concealer. It's for color concealer number 04, the medium beige. I'm gonna using just a little bit in here. As you can see. I'm gonna set my under eye with makeover. This one is number 01, Silky Smooth Translucent Powder in Porcelain. I'm just gonna set my under eye like this. Give you really smooth. For me, it's really work. The color, it's not make your makeup patchy. Just put all over my face like this. And if I want a more brightening, like make it more whiter, I'm using Mark's powder. It's beauty powder invisible. I don't know if you can get this in another country, but I bought this in Indonesia. I just using a little bit like this. Now I'm gonna move to my eyebrow. This is a slight local eyebrow pencil. I bought this in Indonesia also. It's called N.S.T.R.G.R.A.M. Just gonna start it by brush my eyebrow like this. Just for my eyebrow, I'm using this is called, the brand is called N.S.T.R.G.R.A.M. It's local brand in Indonesia. This pencil eyebrow is really pigmented, so I have to be careful when I'm using it. It's gonna give you really thick. You see that? I'm gonna brush. And now I'm gonna set my eyebrow with aloe vera gel. This is my aloe vera gel. Just give a little bit in my spoolie and just brush like that. It helps you to make your eyebrows stay long. Next, I'm gonna move with my eyeshadow. In here, I'm gonna use my beauty glaze. Everybody know this one. It's dupe. It's really good, pigmented. In here, I'm gonna using this color. As you can see. Do you see that? It's really pigmented. I think I'm gonna just using my fingertip. Spray it all over my lid. I don't think so it's gonna be natural makeup look, but it's like just get ready with me. Because this color totally not natural at all, like purple. I don't know why, but I love purple. What can I do? And next I'm gonna using this color. this one. And here, you see that? And my outer corner. It's like orange, peachy, something like that. Wow. I'm gonna mix that two color before using my under here. Just like that. And I have the local brand in Indonesia. It's called Purbasari also. I'm using in my last video. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna use this in my inner corner. This one, like green, something like that. I'm gonna use it in my inner corner. It's really pretty. Oh, it's really hot in here. I don't know why, but today I feel really hot. I think it's gonna be rain. Next, I'm gonna use my eyeliner. I'm using the Body Shop because the other eyeliner my sister took it. She's using it now. I'm always use eyeliner from here and going up. Just like that. I'm gonna contour a little bit my nose with eyeshadow from BA with this dark brown. Yeah, something like that. I still need to working on it. It's good. Ooh, look at that. Next, for my bronzer, I'm using Catrice. This one is Catrice Cosmetics Sun Glow Mineral Bronzing Powder. fall in love with this one. It's not really pigmented, but like you can build art. Just give you like sun case. It's pretty. I love this. Honestly, I'm not gonna using any blush today, but because the bronzing it's good enough. It's already give a color that what I want. Next step, I'm gonna using my Pixie setting spray, and after that we move to the lips. Smells just beautiful. Now for lips, I'm gonna using my Volor lips. It's shade Pare. Let's give you nude lips. Next, I'm gonna mix with BA lipstick. It's the one I bought. Not I bought, my friend gave it to me from Australia. Just give you a glossy look. Yes, I'm done. This is how I get ready every day. Not every day, sometimes I change my lips color. As you can see. Yep. It's raining, like I say. It's really nude, purple. I love this one. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is the view from my second floor. It's raining at the moment. It's really beautiful. Let me fix my hijab. So hope you like it and hope you enjoy watching my video. If you are new in my channel, don't forget for subscribe also. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and then you can share this video to all your social media. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Assalamualaikum habibty.